Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to make our password visible in Samsung S22 when we are entering password on a lock screen, for example. So right now, when we enter our password, we don't have this little shadow or After Effects. It's now turned off. If you want to turn it back on again, we need to go to Settings, Security and Privacy, and at the bottom we have other security settings, and in here at the top, make password visible. And what does it do? Show password characters briefly as you type them. So when we turn it on, let's see how does it look like right now. As you can see, we have a second or so visible. It is a default option. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.